This is Linux, make the switch.
Episode number 11, Installing Fedora Core 5, Part 1, the actual install.
Hosted by Travis.
And Brandon. You can email us at
linuxmaketheswitch@gmail.com.
Also check out our forums, linuxmaketheswitch.com/forum. Hello everybody. Welcome to Linux Make the Switch. We're doing a Fedora Core 5 install.
I believe this is episode number 11, and I am back.
Travis is back. Back from college.
Yep, for the weekend.
So, we're going to do an episode with him, actually, today, for once.
Yes, it's been a while.
Yeah, so we got Fedora Core 5 CD in our computer, and we're going to install.
This
So
is the latest release of Fedora Core 5. I'm sure they're working on another one, though.
Yep, Fedora Core 6. I don't know when it's going to be out, but it doesn't really matter all that much.
Yep. This is the latest as of yet. That's what we're going with.
Yep. So we're just going to hit enter to boot.
Basically, just throw the DVD in your computer, start it up, take you to this menu. If it's configured to boot from the CD drive or whatever. And after that, here, this is what you do.
Okay, now it's pretty much loading up the installer.
Now, Fedora Core is the Red Hat
Yes.
based.
And you're going to want to test your CD media beforehand. But we already know that it's good because we've already installed it and used the disk, so we know it's good. So we're going to hit skip, but you should definitely hit OK.
Yeah, and that should take a couple minutes just to scan, make sure it didn't download wrong or burn improperly.
Yep, it's going to run an MD5 checksum on it.
Yep. You can also do that, I think, on the ISO before you even burn it, but
Yes.
might as well do it. You just skip that and just do it while you have the CD because you might have burned it wrong.
Exactly. That's one of the reasons why they do the MD5 sum check.
Yep. It's just going to do your basic, checking for what kind of hardware devices you have.
So sorry for a long wait here for a new episode, but we've had a couple of issues with time. One thing, school just started for me, so I haven't been able to make any new episodes in the past 3 weeks.
And I've been away at college for the last month, week or something like that. It's been a while. I forgot. I lost all track of time up there.
Okay, so here's our splash screen. We're just gonna hit next.
And I think they showed this earlier, but it's like the Anaconda install.
Yep, Anaconda.
Which Red Hat's used since, I think 8 is the one I can remember, but I'm sure they've had it.
That's the only version of Red Hat that I've used is version 8.
Version 8?
Yeah.
I know they had it again in 9 and so on and so forth.
Oh, well, what I did is English. This is just your standard U.S. English.
US English,
Unless you're from another country.
Oh, yeah, exactly. This is for the,
your keyboard and stuff.
Keyboard, yeah.
Okay, what this is telling us is that our partition table on device HCA, which is our first hard drive, is unreadable. So we're going to need to create a new partition. Generally this doesn't happen, but this is like a fresh computer, so to speak, so it's going to happen. So yes, we're going to erase all data on this thing.
Then it'll pretty much have your standard settings. You can change them if you want. Create custom layout.
Custom layout. What we're going to do is that way it won't delete your Windows partition.
Yeah, if you have one.
Yeah, if you have one, but if you don't have one, remove all partitions, use free space on selected drives and create default. Create a custom layout. We're going to definitely go into that later.
Yeah, that's a little more advanced, but it's not too tricky.
You just need to make sure that you don't mess with your other hard drive space. If, let's say, you have something stored on there, like movies or games or whatever, that stuff doesn't get deleted.
Yeah, because I know myself, I install into a backup drive, which is split into a Windows and Linux, and on the other half I have like movies, music.
Yeah, I have one hard drive for Windows, one hard drive for Linux, one hard drive for backup. So I'm covered.
Well, I lack the hard drive space that you have. I'm sorry.
Yes. Okay, this is our network device, Ethernet 0, DHCP, or you want to set your host name. You can set it to automatic or manual. miscellaneous settings you shouldn't have to deal with unless you know what you're talking about.
Yep.
So we're just going to hit next.
Time zones.
Fun stuff.
Yep.
You can either use the map.
Or you can just use a little scroll thingy. But
Yeah.
the map's fun. I mean, it's cool.
Yeah, you can either use this thing or the map you can play around with. It's quite fun.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're going to hit next.
Root password.
Yeah, root password.
This is again the password you know, so.
This is like the administrative password, administrative account on Windows. Make sure you choose a strong password, and for example, don't do what we do and just use, 5-character
Yeah.
password. That's very, very bad.
Yeah.
We could tell you a funny story about what happens when you do that.
Oh yeah. Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Or Brandon can at least.
Yeah. Pretty soon we'll give you the link to the website that tells the story. That my friend who is making the website has not finished his story yet and put it up on there, but we'll soon have it. So we're just gonna hit next. Oh,
Oh, 6 characters. See,
6 characters. See.
Just put like 06 or something. There you go.
Hello world.
Which is also not a good idea for a
Yeah.
password.